everybody pushing you? Jill, why are they being mean to you, Jill? Ugh. Who's doing that? Candy, don't bite her. Don't bite her. Sweetie. There you go. Why is everybody after Jill? Mouse, you're even trying to nibble on Jill? There you go back. Don't. Hey. Candy. Leave her alone. Did you do, sweetie, sweetie? My little sweetie. You wanna nibble me? Candy. Candy, leave Jill alone. Leave Jill alone. She's my baby mouse, mouse. She's my baby mouse. Candy. Come on, Jill. This is Jack, and this is Jill. There's Jill. Cupid. Come over here, boy. They're all fat. They just ate. And that's why they're licking and biting and pushing on each other. They taste like milk, cereal, vegetables. There he is. Cupid. Cupid. Cupid, there's his handsome little boy. There's that handsome boy. It's hard to take the video and see. Look, Mouse looks like she has stripes. Oh, she's so fat. She eats so much. Look. Ugh. Okay, let me bathe him and get him out the bathtub.